Welcome back. Today, Travel with Drone takes you to a place where history meets breathtaking scenery. We are at the magnificent Ridiyagama Tank, a symbol of ancient Sri Lankan irrigation located in the Hambantota district. Dating back to the 2nd century BC, this reservoir is believed to have been built by King Mahanaga. The name Ridiyagama holds a fascinating legend. It is said, welcome back. Today, Travel with Drone takes you to a place where history meets breathtaking scenery. We are at the magnificent Ridiyagama Tank, a symbol of ancient Sri Lankan irrigation located in the Hambantota district. Dating back to the 2nd century BC, this reservoir is believed to have been built by King Mahanaga. The name Ridiyagama holds a fascinating legend. It is said that a silver mine was discovered in this village, providing the silver needed to build the Great Ruwanwelisaya Stupa. Thus, it became known as the Village of Silver. After being lost to the jungle for centuries, the tank was restored in 1906 during the British colonial era. Fed by the Walawe River through the Liyangastota diversion, Ridiyagama remains a lifeline for thousands of acres of paddy fields to this day. If you're planning a visit, take the Southern Expressway to the Kasagala interchange and head towards Agunukolapelessa. It's a perfect spot for photography, so make sure to bring your camera and drone to capture these stunning aerial views. Also, the Ridiyagama Safari Park is located just a few minutes away, making it a great double destination. Ridiyagama Tank is more than just a water source. It is a living legacy of our ancestors' wisdom. Preserving these wonders is a duty for us all. For more cinematic journeys across Sri Lanka, don't forget to subscribe to Travel with Drone. See you in the next adventure.